Hello everyone! Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll show you how to control whether your Threads posts are suggested on other apps like Instagram and Facebook. This can help increase your reach, but it only works if your Threads account is public. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. After that, select Privacy from the menu that appears. Now, tap on Suggesting Posts on Other Apps. Here, you'll see two apps, Instagram and Facebook. Finally, use the toggle switches to turn suggestions on or off, depending on your preference. Remember, your Threads account must be public for this feature to work. That's all for today's tutorial. Now you know how to manage post suggestions from Threads to Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.